Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.
Alrighty, we're at Moody Town Crossing again. As you can hear in there in the background, we've got a northbound man. And I'm not sure if maintenance has taken a break today or what, but I know Q693 is in between here and Irwin somewhere, so we'll be able to catch him today, I hope. And we're going to catch this northbound man here, so we might look up today and get a couple trains in the daylight here south of Irwin on CSX's Blue Ridge Sub. It's looking like Q694. Well, if I get a particular place here where the sun's not bad. Alrighty, we're at the south end of Marion, waiting on the southbound Q693. We usually stand over there behind that trash truck, but they're over there picking up trash this morning. I don't know if the sun's shining, if you can see that signal there is clear for this southbound 693. I did not catch the rest of 694. I got about 2 minutes of it before I was viciously and without provocation, mind you, attacked by a chipmunk. I didn't know those things even existed around here. Or if I did, I thought they might have been hibernating or anything, but that little sucker got on my leg, so I chalked that one up the reason we didn't get to see the rest of that train. Anyway, I had a mid-train DPU. Everything was CSX. Nothing really outstanding, but I hate that I missed it anyway. So anyway, if you're out rail fanning, that's some safety advice for you. Watch out for the chipmunks. Okie doke, sorry about that. That ended abruptly. Apparently my camera was full, so this video has been stuffed full of oddities. Anyway, that was 694, half of it, and all of 693. And thank you guys so much for watching.